One thing that we need to make sure na clear sa lahat ng tao is that the person who posted yung pinakita ko doon sa kinomenta ni Villa dito is from the US. I think it's about time that we all stop saying na Pinoy lang yung ganyan, because no. Whether it's on the recruitment side or the applicant side, hindi pwedeng nang-generalize tayo ng Pinoy kasi yung crab mentality, nagkaroon pa ng crab mentality sa mga crab mentalist. Gets nyo? I always say, not all the time. Hindi lahat ng tao, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Kagaya ng comment ni Villa na, pero pag mag-leave, bakit? Ikaw ba need sumama? Ikaw ba may sakit? Kailangan ba nandun ka? Di ba pwedeng? And all that. And believe me, I have experienced that multiple times. To a point that I realized one thing. I started working from home because I want to take my time off when I need my time off. My mental state does not have the capacity to adjust sa pangangailangan ng iba. Kailangan unahin ko naman ngayon yung sarili ko. Hence, I decided to work from home. And as a freelancer, hindi na ako ngayon nagsasabi or kailangan pang mag-intay ng approval ng kahit na sino kung magta-time off ako. Example, I am attending a conference, so I just told my client and my boss, yung direct report ko na, hey, I'm going to a conference starting this date hanggang ganitong araw. Magkaiba yung hihingi pa ng permiso versus sasabihin mo lang sa kanila that you will be out for those dates. Or maybe it's just me, nasanay na lang ako ng ganun, hindi ko na kailangan ng permiso mo, kaya nga independent contractor yung kinuha kong posisyon para pagka kailangan ko mag-off ako. Isang malaking blessing na lang na yung isang client that I am working for full-time right now, wala pa talaga akong PTO or paid time off credits dun sa kanila. Pero sinabi niya na natutuwa siya, attend ako ng mga ganitong conference, na babayaran daw nila yung mga... So anyway, yun lang, share ko lang. Meron talagang mga mabubuting clients na kagaya nun. You just have to find yung match sa pangangailangan mo. And nope, hindi lang po ito sa Pilipinas nangyayari. Hindi lang po dahil Pinoy yung nag-interview or yung, kumbaga yung boss mo, hindi ganun yun. It is happening globally, and I strongly believe that you do not get what you deserve. You get what you take.